Hello guys, so for this video, we'll be talking about system of numbers or number system. So yung system of numbers, it is divided into two, which is the real numbers and imaginary numbers. So if we will talk about imaginary numbers are numbers that is expressed in terms of square root of a negative number. So, bali, it is denoted, most of the time, it is denoted by I, or sometimes it is denoted by J. So, kung meron kayong makikitang mga, for example, a negative 1. Ayan, negative 1 is equal to, that is I. Okay? So, therefore, I squared is equal to, ayan, negative 1. So, square root of negative 1 is I, and the square of I is equal to negative 1. Basta po may makita kayong I and J, those are imaginary numbers. Now, what is real numbers? So, real numbers naman, it is divided into two. We have irrational and rational numbers. So, what is irrational numbers? Yung mga irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed in quotient. Let's say, for example, square root of 2, yan, si pi, at saka si e. So, any number that cannot be expressed in a quotient is irrational numbers. Si rational numbers naman, ito, these are the integers. Ano yung mga integers? Ang integers are natural numbers, zero, and negative numbers. Natural numbers are your counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, ayan, so on and so forth. Zero, of course, and the negative numbers. Negative 1 and negative 2. So, bali po, si integers, which is a rational number, is any number from a negative number to positive number, including 0. So, I hope meron po kayong natutunan about system of numbers. So, dito lang po ang ating video.